Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with Zelle on Kickwho in 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Zelle as a payment method on the platform. First, you need to have a Zelle account linked to your bank account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for Zelle through their website or mobile app. Once you have a Zelle account, you can proceed to link it with your Kickwho account. To do this, log into your Kickwho account and navigate to the Payment section. Click on the Add Payment Method button and select Zelle as your preferred payment option. You will be prompted to enter your Zelle email address or mobile number associated with your Zelle account. After entering your Zelle details, you will receive a verification code sent by Zelle to confirm the linking of your accounts. Enter the verification code in the required field and click on the Verify button. Once your Zelle account is linked, you can proceed to make payments on Kickwho using Zelle. To do this, navigate to the Purchase or Checkout page and select Zelle as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Zelle payment page where you can review the payment details and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that Zelle payments are processed instantly, and the funds will be deducted from your linked bank account. Also, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your bank account to avoid any transaction failures. As a best practice, always review the payment details carefully before confirming the transaction. Additionally, keep your Zelle account and Kickwho account information up to date to avoid any payment issues. In conclusion, paying with Zelle on Kickwho is a straightforward process that requires you to link your Zelle account with your Kickwho account. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily make payments using Zelle and enjoy a seamless transaction experience on the platform.